Do you know something crazy? Any video you have ever loved, any movie scene that gave you goosebumps, any reel that made you emotional, 80% of its impact comes from audio. Visuals catch attention, but audio controls emotion. It builds tension. It creates depth. It tells your brain what to feel, even before you understand why. And today, I'm going to prove that to you. Right now, I'm going to play a piece of music that I created using Mureka AI. Just listen carefully. Alright, now you've heard the music. Let me show you what happens when we place that same music into a real cinematic scene.
They made me choose. They said it was necessary. I told myself I could fix it later, that I would make it right somehow. But I was wrong. By the time I understood what I had done, it was already too late.
See the difference? Same visuals, but now it feels deeper, more emotional, more alive. And that's the power of audio. So in this video, I'll show you the complete workflow, how to create your own songs using Mureka AI. Let's start. Now, if you want to try this yourself, you'll find the link to Mureka AI in the description. Or you can simply search Mureka.ai in your browser, and you'll land directly on this homepage. The interface is clean and well organized. You can even explore music created by users from different countries, listen to their tracks, and take inspiration before creating your own. But today, we're not just exploring, we're creating. On the left side, you'll see options like Home, Create Music, Create Speech, and Music Edit. We're starting with Create Music because that's where the real magic begins. When you click on it, you'll see two modes, Easy and Custom. Let's begin with Easy mode. This is perfect if you want high-quality music in seconds. All you need to do is describe the kind of song you want. Think of it as giving instructions to your own AI composer. I'll paste my prompt here. Below that, you'll see additional options. You can add a reference track by uploading audio or pasting a YouTube link if you want a similar vibe. I'm skipping that for now because I want something completely original. Next comes vocals. This is where it gets interesting. You can choose from multiple singers in the library, upload your own voice, attach a YouTube link, or even use a voice you've cloned earlier. For this example, I'll select this vocal artist. Since I want vocals in the track, I'll keep the instrumental option turned off. Once everything is set, I simply click Create. And just like that, the music generation starts. Now while that's generating, let's look at Custom mode. If Easy mode is fast and automatic, Custom mode gives you full creative control. Here, you can paste your own lyrics directly, or click on Generate Lyrics and describe the kind of lyrics you want. Emotional, dark, romantic, cinematic, anything. The AI writes it in seconds. Once the lyrics are generated, you can edit them, optimize them, or use them as they are. I'll click Use this lyrics. Next, I define the style, the mood, tempo, instruments, overall energy. Then I select the vocal gender. Let's go with female. You can also change the song title if you want. If you prefer instrumental only, you can enable that option. But I'm keeping vocals on. To maintain consistency, I'll choose the same singer as before. And now, I click Create again. And just like that, the music starts generating in front of you. Alright, so our results are ready. Let's listen to them. First, I'll play the song generated from Easy mode, and then the one from Custom mode.
The coffee is bitter and the hearth has gone cold. The story of us is the rag that's been sold.
Okay, so as you just heard, I personally liked them a lot. They're not something completely out of this world, but they are genuinely beautiful. The composition feels clean, structured, and emotionally balanced. If you want to listen to the full versions, you'll find the links in the description. Now, let's move to another powerful feature, Music Edit. I'll open the Music Edit section, and here you'll see multiple tools. Let's start with Extend. To use Extend, we first need the audio file. So I'll go back to the generated track, click on the three dots, and download it. You get multiple download options, instrumentals, themes, MP3, commercial license, and WAV format. I'll download it in WAV for the best quality. Now, I'll upload that same file into the Extend section. Once the audio is processed, you'll notice something interesting. To extend the music properly, you need to extend the lyrics. You can write the next lines manually, or simply let AI continue them for you. I'll click on Write Next Line, and it instantly generates the continuation. If I click on Finish These Lyrics, it completes the entire structure for me. Now I'll click Extend, and just like that, the music gets extended. And honestly, one funny thing I have to mention, the posters Mureka generates for each track look insane. They genuinely look like professional album covers. I'm actually loving that part.
Oh, it's just a simulation of a heart, tearing the binary keys to the part. And victory is green if I'm lonely at all.
Now that the extended version is ready, let's move to another feature, Splitter. I'll upload the same audio file again. Once it's processed, I click Split. Within seconds, the tool separates the music into individual stems, like drums, melodies, vocals, and other elements that were used to create the track. For example, here are the drums. You can play them individually. You can download each stem separately, or download everything together. For someone like me, who creates AI short films and cinematic content, this feature is extremely powerful. Being able to isolate drums or background layers gives so much flexibility in sound design. Next, we have Trim. Again, I upload the file. Once it's processed, I can simply select the exact portion I want to keep and click Trim. And just like that, the audio gets cut precisely to the duration I need. These tools might seem simple, but for a content creator, filmmaker, or musician, they are essential. Because if you're generating AI visuals, you also need AI music that fits perfectly. There are also features like region editing, where you can edit selected parts of the lyrics or regenerate sections while keeping other parts unchanged. But instead of explaining every single feature, I'd actually recommend you explore it yourself. You'll find the link in the description. Try it,